Some basic concepts of chemistry, Chapter 1, 11 Science, Part 2.
Hello students, I am Madhu Sinha, your chemistry teacher. Do like and subscribe my YouTube channel for further notifications. After watching the videos, please mention your name, class and section in the comment box. And in case you have any queries, please mention in the comment box so that I can get in touch with you very soon.
Mixture is a combination of two or more pure substances in which each pure substance retains its individual chemical properties. The mixtures have following characteristics. It is an impure substance having no formula. They can be mixed in any ratio. The properties of the mixture are the properties of its constituents. The constituents can be easily separated by physical methods like heating, drying, crystallization, distillation, etc. There are two types of mixtures: homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture. Mixture differs from compounds. The substances in the mixture are mixed together with no chemical reaction taking place. Substances are chemically reacted to form a new compound. Composition of the mixture can be varied. Composition of new compound is always same. Properties of the constituent present in the mixture always remain same. The properties of the new compounds are always different from the elements combining. Mixture can be separated by physical methods. Compounds cannot be separated by physical method. Element, compounds and mixture differs from each other. Element is the simplest pure substance. Compounds is the substance in which a chemical change takes place. No chemical change takes place in mixture. Elements have properties similar to their atoms. Compounds has the properties which are different from the properties of its constituent elements. A mixture has properties of the substances of which it is made up of. Molecules are two or more atoms bonded together. There are two types of molecules: molecules of element and molecules of compound. Let us understand the difference between the molecule of element and molecule of compound by the upcoming video.
So molecules versus compounds. Well, when we look at molecules and compounds, molecules are kind of the overarching theme here. So we have our molecules and then we have our compounds. So compounds are just a type of molecule. So where every compound is going to be a molecule. So let's think about that. We have molecules, which are two or more elements. So things like O2, we have two oxygens chemically bonded. Or H2O, we have two hydrogens and an oxygen chemically bonded. Or CaCl2. Those are molecules because there's two or more elements. For compounds, again, we have two or more elements, but this time it's two or more different elements. So we'll have something like CaCl2, we have calcium and chlorine, so those are different elements. So that makes it a compound. It's also a molecule. And then HCl, we have a hydrogen and a chlorine. Two different elements, that makes it a compound, and again, it's also a molecule. Let's try one. So pause if you need to think about it. So for CH4, we have carbon and 4 hydrogens. So we have more than two elements. That makes it a molecule. But they're also different, so it's a compound as well. Something like P4, we have 4 phosphorus atoms chemically bonded, so two or more elements gives you a molecule. But in this case, they're all the same, so we don't have different elements. Therefore, it can't be a compound. P4 is just a molecule. One last one here. Calcium sulfate, we have calcium, sulfur, and 4 oxygens. So we have more than two elements chemically bonded. That's a molecule. And then they're different. We have the calcium, sulfur, and oxygen. So it's also a compound. This is Dr. B with the molecules versus compounds, and thanks for watching.
Hence, chemistry is the study of matter and how it changes. Matter is anything that occupies mass, volume and space. Mass of the substance is the amount of matter present in it, while weight is the force exerted by the gravity on the object. Mass of the substance is constant, whereas its weight may vary from one place to another due to change in gravity. The mass of the substance can be very accurately determined in the laboratory by using an analytical balance. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. Physical properties can be observed or measured without changing the composition of the matter. The physical property includes appearance, texture, color, order, melting point, boiling point, density, solubility, etc. They are used to observe and describe matter. Chemical properties are the properties that can be measured or observed only when matter undergoes a change to become an entirely different kind of matter. They include reactivity, flammability, and ability to rust. Reactivity is the ability of the matter to react chemically with other substance.